I'm Alex Jobert with Joseph Mill. I'm here at Mr. Travis Verrett's house, 6939 Lagoon Court, Greenwell Springs, Louisiana, 70939. I have a soft bristle paintbrush here. This is the shingle I'm going to be removing. Just softly brushing it. As you can see, we have granules all on the paper. Not much, but granules are definitely falling. Granules are definitely falling. We do have granules. I have my roof snake. So, in order to pull this shingle, I'm gonna do this just to show you that it is stuck, it is still sealed. So in order to get this shingle out, we have to take the nails out of this shingle and this shingle. So we have to pop up 3 shingles just to remove one. First we're gonna get this out. And this shingle is tearing. It does have material transfer already. It is causing adequate damage. Shingle's really on here. Trying to be as easy as I can, and it's still tearing up all these shingles. There's just no way to pop it up. Set up my phone. Shingle up. Now we have to remove these top 2 shingles. I'll try to be soft here, but it's just really not possible. Okay, I'll see the shingle just ripped right here. I am trying to be soft. It's ripping this shingle all up. There's really no way to pop up this shingle softly. You know, it doesn't slide under easy. You have to force it, and there's no granule on this shingle, and when you pop it, it wants to rip right away. So this was the only shingle that I was planning on removing, and this, I already damaged the shingle on top of it just from trying to prop it up. Now we got one more shingle that we have to prop up. I'm trying to be soft here. Still ripping. Still ripping. It's so old and brittle. So old and brittle, it just wants to tear right away. So see, there's no way to slide it in here without damaging the surrounding shingles. So this one came up pretty easy, but let's try this one up, this one up. Start popping out these nails. First nail out. Just to show you how much damage it caused. Just, you know, this is just trying to get the roofing snake under here, and it caused so much damage. You know, there's just no way to repair this. Try to get this back as I had it. There's really nothing left to protect. Got one more row of nails to remove. Now I should just be able to slide the shingle out. So we got one tear, two tears, three tears, material transfer, another tear, 4, 5 tears, 6 tears. More material transfer. 7 tears, 8 tears, 9 tears, 10 tears, 11 tears. So 11 total tears and 6 points of material transfer. So look at this. This tore, material transfer all through. This tore here, material transfer here, material transfer here, here. This tear here, this tear, this tear, this tear, this tear, this tear. There's just no way to adequately repair it. No way to remove the shingles in the first place to repair it. So, and not to mention, this is a discontinued Atlas shingle, so it's no longer manufactured. So there's no shingle that matches this specs, the length, the width. Even if there was, there's no way to pop up the surrounding shingles to get to the damaged shingle and remove it. We're only causing more damage. So we're gonna put this in here just like we would a shingle. Okay, so I have this tarp all the way up here to the last shingle where we moved out the last layer of nails. I'm gonna nail it in. Put this nice and tight. Now, I'm going to come with my brush again. See how many, softly brushing it. Just a couple brushes. and you can see a lot of granule we have. So not only do we have a discontinued shingle, but we also have material transfer. It's too brittle, it's too old, it's tearing, it's ripping. We're just causing more damage. I call this a failed repair. A failed repair, because there's just no way to adequately take out a shingle and replace it with a new one, not to mention the fact that there's none that'll fit these specs, these measurements. So I'm gonna send one shingle to NTS myself, and I'm gonna leave another shingle here for State Farm to come pick up if they would like to send it to the lab themselves. This is the shingle we pulled. Rip, 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 rip. Material transfer, all of this material transfer.